Hey, what up guys? I've been getting a lot of responses, emails, DMs on Instagram especially. Like I didn't actually think everybody's gonna be hitting me on the DMs like that, but a lot of people have been, expressing their concerns, their feelings, their hardships, everything that they're going through. I just wanna say, I appreciate that because obviously I'm here to help. It helps me to know what you actually need help on. That's how I come up with the video ideas. That's why I have a backlist of like 1,000 videos because people asking questions and stuff like that, So when you tell me what you need, I try to make sure that I can provide it as best as I possibly can. Today I want to talk to you about what do you think is holding you back? The people that become successful are the people who know that they'll be ready when the time comes, but they don't have to be like, I'm ready right now. They're like, no, just do it. So what's holding you back? Why aren't you famous yet? Why don't you have 100,000 fans? Why do you only have 1,000 followers on Instagram, if that? Why are your videos not getting listened to on a daily basis, or your Spotify getting streams and people saying, oh yeah, hell yeah, or you going on tours? Like, what's the real reason there? Can you be honest with yourself about those reasons? Being ready for success or being ready to move forward is definitely, it's a mindset. Right? But I gotta tell you this, here's the problem that comes in with that, is that you're never really going to be ready. And if you won't move forward because you can't tell yourself, I'm ready to do this, well then you're gonna keep procrastinating. Even if right now you don't think that you're ready, you need to start, focusing on what are your goals gonna be? How are you going to get there? Because even if you're not ready, it's super easy to write the goals down and decide, okay, this is where I wanna be. Because then you can kind of imagine, you know what I'm saying? So, quick video, but I want you to think again. What is holding you back? I think that it's different for a lot of people. Everybody has their own little things that they feel like is holding them back. Because once you actually think about what those reasons are, you'll be able to actually pinpoint what the problem is.
Oh God.
And then you'll be able to solve that problem. And you'll be able to actually start growing, gaining a fan base, and getting where you need to be. Start making money from everything. Start getting your name known. Start having people respect you, and just everything that comes along with success in any part of life. Just do it. Just go out there and do it. You know what I'm saying? You're always really ready. It's just getting over that mindset. It's the hurdles in your brain that's telling you don't do this yet. Don't do this yet. Yeah. You're always ready. You're ready right now. And what you think is holding you back might not even be the thing that's really holding you back. You might just be thinking it's holding you back. You know what I'm saying? You're not really ever waiting for something to happen. You just have to take the action and move forward. And that's when you're gonna start seeing the results. When you're actually working on the stuff, even the little stuff, that's when you see those results. Whether you're ready or not, just doing the stuff. You need to identify the problem strategically before you can solve it. So what's the problem? Think about that. Super easy. What do you feel like the problem is? Write it down. Or just keep it in your mind if you don't want to write it down. What is the problem?